Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
How are you?
I am fine and you?
I am also fine. So today, me and my friends will discuss about dowry system. So what do you mean by dowry system?
I think dowry is that thing which is given by bride parents to the groom parents. And nowadays, this thing is also happening that in many places groom parents give the dowry to the bride parents.
Where this happening, I don't know about.
Because I hear this thing in my relative. Those people are not my relative. Those people are not my relative, but yeah, us means a connection between them. So then his son's marriage is not happening but with anyone. So they gave the dowry to the bride family, and after that the bride agreed to get married with that person.
But sometimes, according to me, pupils buy the girls.
Yeah, but
Also in my place, one pupil who lost his one hand and he buy her wife.
yeah, it is happening. But I think it is not happening mostly in our area. But this thing is happening in Bihar mostly.
Yeah. People said that if my boy is bachelor, my son is bachelor, then I bring the bride from Bihar.
Yeah.
Mostly cases people said this thing. So what's your opinion about dowry? It's right or wrong?
I think if the bride parents gave buying his happiness to the groom parents, that time it is right. But if they demand and the bride parents are not able to fulfill his all demands, that time it is wrong. But in now time means people sold their sons. They said that if you gave me 25 lakhs rupees, then after that I will agree to for my son's marriage. But they don't think that they sell their son to the bride family. Okay, now in your opinion, it is right or wrong?
In my opinion, mostly people means both cases. If we talk about the familiars, then the rich pupils doing this thing. Means if someone is rich, then he thought that when I get marry my daughter, at that time I give her the plot, this plot and this thing and the most wanted car, which is much expensive in our area. So this thing they allowed, but the people who are able to pay this thing, they are great in these things.
Yeah.
Mostly people who watch this thing, if we talk to anyone, then mostly people said that I want to graduate my son and make them a teacher, doctor, engineer, and many things. Because of this thing means they thought that
Yeah, you continue.
they thought that if my son is much educated and her profession is too good and he earn a lot of money, then they get a much value of her family for wedding. You mostly cases if you want, then people demand for a lot of things.
Yeah.
I gave you example. Also, they are my family. We mean that means my grandfather. He lived in Bangalore, and his elder son married. At that time, his son is fighter pilot. You know about the salary of fighter pilot, mostly 2K and 3K. And means her daughter-in-law is also has a lot of property, and they gave at least 2 kg gold in the means the bride's family gave to the groom's family 2 kg gold, and they prepared everything very grand and magnificent like.
job, just like anyone drive e-rickshaw and auto and those people who walking here and there. Also, they want to get a lot of dowry, just like means in my he is my uncle and he rides e-rickshaw and in his when his marriage talk is going on, that time his father demand one gold chain of 10 gram. One gold chain of 10 gram and also a ring and many things and the things of house which is necessary and then the bride family they are not able to pay because she is my aunt with whom they talk. She is my aunt. Then my maternal grandfather said to him that I am not able to pay you. That time he said I am not able to pay your to fulfill your all demands. Means I will give you things but not just like your demand. That time they said that I don't want to do marriage with your daughter. And after some time, which thing is happening with them, no one believe on them. They do marriage with the divorce with that girl who do divorce in one time. Then they do marriage with them because it is his compulsion. His age is passing day by day, but his marriage is not mixed with everyone. That time they take this decision. I think that if everyone do a lot of greediness, that time this thing is happening with them. But if you satisfied by many things and my aunt marriage, that person they don't demand to anything. And that time my maternal grandfather gave them a lot of things, means which they can't expect. They gave them many things, and after that they all become happy. They said to my grandfather that I don't demand to you anything because my maternal uncle he do a government job in a government hospital. So that's why they don't demand to anything. When my maternal grandfather gave them, then they all become happy and they said that those people are very nice. But if you do greediness, that time many wrong things is happening with you.
Means many times the groom don't want to get dowry.
Yeah.
But his family want to take a lot of money. Dowry. Means in this case, what's your opinion?
I think that the groom do right, but his family think about the society.
You know why the groom do right?
Means if anyone stay outside and he watch the all area and also he attends with the news, native news, then he know what is going on in the world. But his parents they become old and they make a lot of bound in society. And when they watch the other sons, they take dowry and they think that if I don't take dowry, then my reputation is getting down. That's why they think that if I take a lot of dowry, then other than my friend, then his reputation is up. But they think wrong. So in your opinion, means the right family gave them dowry. It is right or wrong? The bride family gave dowry to the groom family, and many times they both are not satisfied. It is right or wrong? I mean to say that if you will give anyone's dowry and they demand a car and you will give them that car, but after
there's 84 species, but the human is only the one whose stomach is never fulfilled.
Yeah.
But if we talk about the other species, then they satisfied with the things. They don't need. I want to buy the flat. I want to buy a car. I want anything. They, according to me, if we are satisfied with our things, I don't say that we don't think about the other generation. We don't think about our parents and developing. But the satisfaction thing is one of the most important.
Yeah. But no one.
Many times we are died with unsatisfied, and our soul also around here and there.
Wandering here.
Yeah.
Then people said that their soul can't get the peace. But they think that when I fulfill his last wish, after that they get the peace. But if they don't get peace in his life, then how can they get peace after dying?
Means, you know about the past position of dowry.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, so then
In past time, means people are not so rich. Many are rich, but if we said that not only rich means rich people we said that we are middle class. But those people in past time they also are poor, belong to a poor family. And when anyone gave them means his son's marriage is happening and anyone gave them a bicycle. You know the value of in past time a bicycle because my father is also get a bicycle in his marriage. And that time
my father get a motorcycle.
and that because my father's marriage is happening in very past time. I think in 2000. So that time they all become very happy. And they said that your son is getting a bicycle, and that time the value of bicycle is more than a bike.
And but nowadays every child takes a bicycle. Then there was no value of this thing.
Yeah, but in past time, the people think that it is very expensive thing. And my mother told me that your grandfather demand a dowry, but your father said that there's no need to demand any type of dowry because they gave his daughter to us, and it is a very important thing though for us. But she told me that your grandfather has become angry. He want to get a bicycle and also a fan because in past time everything is very valuable for everyone. Then
My grandfather also get a radio in his marriage.
yeah, and when my maternal grandfather gave them means more than his demand. That time they are not satisfied. Means my grandfather gave them more than his demand. They demand only two things, a bicycle and also a fan. But my grandfather gave them more things. But they all are not satisfied. And then I said to my mother, I said to him that they all are really concerned.
In the love marriage, people don't ask for a lot of dowry.
Yeah, but if
In some cases, not all, because in my near house, why are you laughing? If someone is happening with you, then you tell me. Means also near my house, the love marriages happen, and they don't demand. Means their family want to demand a lot of things, but the groom don't want to demand anything. They only want, I want to get married with that girl. So they don't demand anything. But the girl is alone in-laws home. Means she has two brothers and her father is also a lawyer. So they are capable for giving expensive things. They don't want to give a dowry because the groom only said that I don't need anything. Because he has also a lot of things and they are capable for surviving this life very easily. So they don't demand anything. But the family of bride from his happiness, they gave three means yeah. 250 lakh rupees and a gold chain and a lot of expensive things without begging. They gave, and according to me, this is very right thing. Because some people have a lot of also in the opposite of this marriage. One marriage also happened also in that house, but they are capable and the family of groups demand nothing. In my opinion, I don't know what thing, but they don't demand for anything. The bride family don't want to give anything. They said if you miss this is your marriage, if you don't do anything, then I also file a case on you. If you demand anything, they are very active person, and they are very capable more than the people of that person who give a chain and things, but they don't want to give anything. In the British time, I asked to your question in the past time. In the British time, people don't give dowry. They gave things for their happiness. Because they thought that happy people are not much rich. So they means happy people equal. Then they thought if I send my daughter anywhere, then I gave that thing which is able for it. So that's why they gave some gift.